Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm a nurse here at Integrative Health and Hormone Clinic, and I'm going to show you how to do the Genova Complete Hormone Kit. It is a 24-hour urine collection. I have all of the contents laid out here for you. You have a collection cup, your specimen cup, a label, you have your biohazard bag with a pipette. They do provide a glove for you to use. You have 2 jugs that you will be storing your urine in the refrigerator. And then you have your requisition form, instructions, and then you have your kit box with your FedEx envelope. Again, this is a 24-hour urine collection. You will keep your urine refrigerated, and then you will ship it FedEx Monday through Friday within 48 hours after your last collection. There are certain medications that can skew results, so please be aware of what you're taking. Look at the instruction manual at the list of medications that can interfere with the testing, and you should have been advised during your visit with your doctor of what medications and supplements to stop. So I will go ahead and go over the collection instructions. You will be collecting either any time of the month, or you would have been instructed to do it at a certain time of the month. You will start collecting with your second morning urine of the day. You will collect with your collection cup, then you will pour it into your jug. This jug comes in the kit like this, and then you pull it open, you expand it like an accordion to then look like this. So every time that you collect your urine, you will pour into your jug, you will recap it, shake it, and then you'll put it back in your refrigerator. So every time that you collect, you will be adding to your jug and then putting it back in the refrigerator. At the end of your 24 hours, which will be the first morning urine on the second day, you may have only used 1 jug, or you may have used both jugs. If you used both jugs, then when you are ready to fill your specimen cup, you will pour the jugs into each other, back and forth, to get a good mixture of the full 24 hours. You will then pour into one up to the top. You can discard the lesser of the 2, and you will use the full one to fill your specimen cup. You will fill your specimen cup all the way to the top, which is 120 milliliters. The pipette here is to help you reach that mark if needed. Then you will put your specimen cup, once the lid is on tight and you have your label filled out, put that back in your biohazard bag and then keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready to ship it. You have your requisition form here. We will do our best to fill out everything on our end, so you will fill out the highlighted parts. The highlighted parts will be on the front page, just this little top section here. And then on the back you have your patient information, insurance, your prepayment, and then you want to make sure that you sign and date at the bottom. Your requisition form will be sent with your specimen. You also have your instruction manual here. And then when you're ready to ship, please put your specimen back in the kit box so it has added protection during shipping, and then you can either take it to a FedEx location or call FedEx for a pickup. If you have any questions after reading your instructions or watching this video, please don't hesitate to give our clinic a call. Thank you.